Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda CR-V headlight, updated. Begin by ensuring safety gear and a clear workspace, then remove the assembly screws and unplug the connector. Rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise to release the bulb, install the new bulb by the base, rotate to lock, resecure screws, reconnect the battery, and test the headlight beam and alignment before driving. I'll walk you through tools, safety, and quick tips to make the swap smooth and safe. Gather gloves, safety glasses, a flathead screwdriver, and a torque bit or socket set. Use gloves to prevent oils on bulbs and a towel to protect paint when leaning in. Work in daylight or bright light, label screws if needed, and have a helper if your CR-V has tight spaces to reach the assembly. Common issues include foggy lenses, misaligned beams, and wiring faults that affect light output. Clean or polish cloudy lenses, check bulb seating and connector pins for corrosion, and test voltage at the socket if a bulb won't light. Replace bulbs in matched pairs to keep color and brightness even, and verify headlight aim after replacement using a level surface and wall or aiming tool before you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.